only files we created. So like it ls files are created. So I'm going to create a directory. You know how to create a directory, right? mkdir, for example, yeah, data1. So usually I'm not changing anything, just directory is created. You want to know about what it is? It's a directory. Okay, we can create a multiple directories, data2, data3, like this. We can create a multiple directories, data1, data2, data3, three directories I created. What is my pwd? Present working directory /from/student 17a. Okay, under that one, data a, data 1, data 2, data 3 directories are created. So yeah, we'll go to paintbrush, or you can try here also, but that is very big design. I have to type like this. /home/student 17a. Okay, this is my pwd, and I created a mkdir data 1, mkdir data 2, and data 3. At a time we can create multiple directories, multiple files also. Not using cat only single file. It will handle only one file. Thus you can create multiple files. Okay, mkdir data 1, mkdir data 2, data 3. So where it is created under /from/student 17a. It is like this, /home/student 17a, data 1, data 2, data 3, like this. Okay, so I want to create a DA1 directory under data1. I want to create a DA1 directory under data1. Look at here, DA1 directory under data1. So look at here, CD data1. Now see, I went to data1. What is there under data1? Nothing is there. mkdir DA1. I created a DA1 directory under data1. Okay. Also, I'm going to create some files. FA1, FA2, FA3 files are created. Okay, a directory and some files are created. FA1, FA2, FA3 files are created under data1. So what I am created, plus FA1, 2, 3 created. I have, because it's very near, so I can't able to do anything. Just FA1, FA2, FA3 files are created. Files are created. Okay, so data1, DA1 is a directory, and these files are under data1 only, not under data DA1. So carefully look at. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is I created. Now my present working directory is data1. I want to go back to my home directory. How to go? Or I want to go back to one step. How to go back? Hmm? How to go back? Or how to go back to home directory? How to go back to data1 to previous directory? Yesterday only I told.
I CD, sir.
CD. If it's just CD is enough, automatically go to your home directory. Okay? Only one stepwise like a 3D space dot dot, but here it is simply CD will wherever the location you are located, where whatever the present working directory. If you put CD, you'll go to your home directory, or you can put CC data to. This is your present working directory. CD or CD tilt. The tilt represent home directory.
Yes,
The
sir.
tilt represent current users home directory. See automatically you are in your home directory. Okay. So this is what I have done. I created a 3 directories, data1, data2, data3. And I created a directory DA1 and I created a 3 files under data1 by going inside. Okay. Hidden CD data1 and I check my PWD is changed. Next, I done a mkdir DA1. Then also I created a file touch FA1, FA2, FA3. Okay. PWD mkdir touch completed. Now what I've done? I done a CD, just a CD to go back to my home directory. Check the PWD, you are in a home directory. /from/ student 17A. This is my home directory. This is the home directory when it is created. Okay. Next, again, this is data2, right? So in a data2, I want to create a DA2 directory. How to create a DA2 directory in data2? My present working directory is this one. I want to create a directory under data2, DA2 directory I want to create. How to create? So I have a data2 in my current working directory. In my current working directory, I have a data2. Now I want to create a DA2 directory in data2. What to do? Guys, no problem, right or wrong, please something speak. Otherwise, I will stop the class. Next time, if no one is speaking, if you are not interested, then I will stop the class. You can choose the thing. Okay. Better I leave this job. Last two batches like a torture on me. Sometimes you people are very good, sometimes completely muted, silent. Normally, we'll go to CD data to, then we'll do mkdir kind of stuff, right? So we went inside to create a directory, but I'm not doing like this. Okay. So in my current directory, I have a data2. So then I'm going to create mkdir data2 slash da2. So da2 will be created from here on. You can put ls da2 data2, then you can see da2 also. If in case you want to create a files, you want to create a file inside, then you can also create like this. So touch, you have to tell the path. First of all, create a data in the data2 directory, and what you want to create, like a fb1, you want to create fb1, of course, fb1, for example 3 files. Now you can see ls data2, fb1, fb2, fb3, 3 files are created. Okay, so I created a data2. Now I created fb1, fb2, fb3. Okay, now how I created, okay, so this is how I created a file. People. Okay, the next task is in data3. So where is data3? Here is the data3. I want to create a da3, and also I want to create a fc1, fc2, fc3. I want to create these files also. I want to create a da3 under data3, fc1, fc2, fc3. Want to create. How to create? I have data3 directory. I want to create. How to create? I want to create a da3 directory. This method only. This method only. Last method only. da3 in data3.
mkdir
mkdir okay. Now DA3 is created. Now files I want to create, just empty files. What is this? It's a wildcard. That's why I can able to create directly like this. Instead of F1, F2, F3, I can create directly like this. Okay, where it is created under data 3. Okay. Compulsory before you do, after you done, do some verification, guys, to check it whether it is already there, whether it is something like what are you doing? You are creating something, you are accessing something, whether it is already existed, is it existed in current location or different location. By that, like that only you can able to learn. Otherwise, nothing. This is how to create a files and directories in the directory. So actually I want to tell copy files, but people are not interested today. I don't know. Okay, the last point in the creating directories, I'm repeating only same thing repeating. Okay. I want to create a directory DA4 in data4. I want to create a directory in data4. How to do it? It should come like top is different, bottom is different. I'm just waiting for an answer. Or a doubt. Guys, I want to create a DA4 in data4. One is interested. Okay. So data4 /DA4. It's throwing an error. but there is no such a file or directory. I'm creating a directory. It is telling if it is already existing, but it's telling no such a file or directory. Meaning is this data 4 is not there. Look at here. Data 4 is not there in my current directory. So what I have to do? I have to create first data 4, then I have to create a DF4. Okay, so then I put a CD. Data 4 is not there. You have to create first data 4, then you can create DF4. So what to do? Instead of creating 2 times, I'm creating everything 1 time only. That is like a -p. First create a parent, then create a child directory. First data 4 will be created, then we can create a DF4. Now both are created. See, data 4 is created. Under data 4, DF4 is also created. Okay, so that is a -p option. That's it. Okay, just a minute, and I will give you a small break. I still don't understand. People are understand or not. This is how to create a directories and internal files like the directory architecture. The important thing is locations are very important. Paths are important. Your current location is this one. You want to go back to this location. CD is enough. Your current location is this one. You want to go back to this location. CD space dot dot. Okay. Your current location is this one. You want to go back to this one. You have to go back to data 1 and data 1 to here. From there to here you have to go. Okay. There's several things are there. Paths are there. So that is also I will tell. That's it. We create a directories.